Welcome back to Channel, your go-to source for the latest updates on the world's most iconic football stadiums. Before we dive into today's construction update, let's talk about something incredible. Barcelona have won the Spanish Super Cup once again. That's their 15th title, a truly amazing performance and a moment to remember for the club and the fans. And here's a crazy fact. Barcelona have been unbeaten in Spanish competitions ever since Leo Messi returned to Camp Nou. Coincidence? I don't think so. Speaking of Camp Nou, the construction site is buzzing with activity this week, but the big question remains. Will the North Goal section really open this January as promised? Let's find out. At the diamond-shaped area designated for the official FC Barcelona store, 5 glass panels have already been installed. More panels are staged and ready for installation. In total, 14 additional panels are needed in the front section, along with panels for the lateral area. In the south goal sector, an elevating platform and crane are placing a diagonal piece between the slat supports. Some slat supports are already installed, while work on the vertical black beams has not yet started. Sparks indicate cutting or welding work is ongoing. Slats are being installed in the lower corner area. Elevating platforms are being used to position the slats. 2 more slats are required to complete the lower section before moving to the upper sections. The first large piece in the lateral area has been lifted, with 2 more identical pieces ready nearby. Construction teams have also leveled a section of wall to improve access for vehicles, ensuring smooth workflow in the area. The wall has been cut to create more space for vehicles, preventing scratches or interference during access. Construction teams are working in the lateral area, adjusting positions of structural pieces and preparing for installation. A tower crane is in place, handling a hydraulic hammer, likely for breaking or adjusting concrete sections. Workers are organizing the area and positioning equipment for upcoming tasks. In the lateral structure, several workers are on scaffolding, preparing slat supports. Most of the slats will be installed after the main structure is completed. One support has been placed independently without obstructing scaffolding areas. Additional prefabricated stands are being delivered and staged in the lateral area. Most of the lateral section, including the south goal and middle lateral parts, is already installed, with a few sections near the north goal still pending. The orange crane used for lifting slats is present, though no slats are being installed in the lateral area today. Remaining slats are mostly in the upper brackets and false ceiling areas, with stair structures and elevator areas also requiring further installation. Corner sections still contain some unfinished structures. Missing slat supports are arriving, and small adjustments are being made with the tower crane. The blue protective nets are being removed to facilitate installation. In the north goal section, workers are welding and preparing slat supports. Elevating platforms are positioned to allow installation of joint supports on pillars and brackets. Painting of brackets is ongoing. The lateral area's 3 levels have been painted, while north goal and south goal still have many areas pending. Bolts with white anti-rust paint will also be painted eventually. Little activity is observed in other areas, aside from some wood construction work. Most structural and installation work continues as planned, with prefabricated stands, slats, and bracket preparations progressing steadily. This concludes today's full update from Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.